Hi, myself Sriyari. Now I am going to talk about the new topic, this is velocity. In this video we are going to talk about the velocity and CGS unit of velocity, SI unit of velocity and the formula for the velocity and types of velocity. All these topics we are going to discuss in this video. Now see the definition of the velocity. The rate of change of displacement we call as a velocity. Now the formula for the velocity equal to displacement by time taken. Now the CGS unit of velocity, CGS unit of displacement is centimeter, CGS unit of time second. Now velocity equal to centimeter per second or centimeter second to the power of -1. Now SI unit of velocity is meter per second or meter second to the power of -1. Why? Because the displacement is SI into meter, time SI into second, meter per second or meter second to the power of -1. CGS unit of velocity centimeter per second or centimeter second to the power of -1. SI unit of velocity meter per second or meter second to the power of -1. The formula for the velocity equal to displacement by time taken. Now the types of velocity: uniform velocity, non-uniform velocity or variable velocity, instantaneous velocity and average velocity. Now we go for one by one. First we go for the uniform velocity. What is meant by the uniform velocity? The body or the object covers equal displacements in equal intervals of time. Then the body is said to be moves with a uniform velocity. See once again, the body or the object covers equal displacements in equal intervals of time. Then the body is said to be moves with a uniform velocity. For example, you have to consider one object. The object moves from A to B, B to C and C to D. A to B it covers 30 kilometers, B to C 30 kilometers and C to D 30 kilometers. Now A to B takes 1 hour and B to C also 1 hour and C to D also it takes 1 hour. The body covers equal displacements. Equal is 30 kilometer. Next 1 hour also 30 kilometer. Next 1 hour also 30 kilometer. The body covers equal displacements in equal intervals of time. Then the body moves with a uniform velocity. Next we go for the non-uniform velocity or variable velocity. Non-uniform velocity. The body covers unequal displacements in equal intervals of time. Then the body is said to be moves with a non-uniform velocity or variable velocity. The object covers unequal displacements in equal intervals of time. That means here the body moves from A to B, B to C, C to D. A to B covers 30 kilometers, B to C covers 40 kilometers and C to D covers 50 kilometers. Now first A to B takes 1 hour and B to C takes 1 hour and C to D also takes 1 hour. But here the time duration should be the same, from A to B 1 hour, B to C 1 hour, C to D 1 hour. But the body covers the unequal displacement. For first 30 hours, 30 kilometers, next 40 kilometers, next 50 kilometers. But here the displacement is different. The body covers unequal displacement, 30, 40, 50. Unequal displacements in equal intervals of time. Then the body moves with a non-uniform velocity. Now next third one we go for the average velocity. Average velocity. The total displacement divided by the total time taken. Again here average velocity equal to what? Total displacement divided by the total time taken. This is called as the average velocity. Next fourth one is the instantaneous velocity. The body moves with a ununiform, means a non-uniform velocity, or we call as a variable velocity. The body moves with a variable velocity or non-uniform velocity at a particular point. The velocity of the body we call as the instantaneous. At a particular instant of time, that velocity we call as the instantaneous time. When the body moves with a variable velocity or uniform velocity, at that time at a particular instant of time, that velocity we call as a instantaneous velocity.